Wow! Look at this! It is a cute little bear. Watch the ball, here it comes. Let's put the wickets right here. Get ready to play. Race you to the banyan tree. Wait for me. Push it in right here. I am trying. That's 20 steps. I found it! I took a catch! Let's play again tomorrow. That was the best match ever. You almost missed that last catch, but we won anyway. Let's play again tomorrow. Wow! Look at this. It is a cute little bear.